Hey everybody, it's Alex, the founder and CEO at Motoroso, and we're continuing our mods on our 2017 Focus RS. We just released a bunch of videos about suspension, chassis, and braking upgrades we've done. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to keep things cool with the full Mishimoto suite of cooling products for the Focus RS. And this is critical because we're about to do our precision turbo swap, and we're going to be targeting about 450 horsepower. Very important to keep everything cool. Let's take a look. First up, let's talk about Mishimoto's intercooler kit for this application. Now, intercoolers are a very, very popular upgrade because they help drop your intake temps. And that's important because the colder the air is going in, the more dense it can be and the more oxygen it contains, which is critical for producing power. Now, this intercooler features a 40% increase in overall internal volume on the intercooler, as well as a 40% increase in internal volume across the hot and cold side piping. It also features a 217% increase in fin surface area, and those fins are what helps air pass through and pull heat away from that air. And this whole kit in combined can drop intake temps by up to 40 degrees, and that is really, really important. Now, they do say that just by bolting this intercooler in, you can see up to a 7 horsepower increase with the stock tune and nothing else. Of course, we are going to be tuning, and we're going to be adding the turbo upgrade and all kinds of other stuff, and this can support up to 600 horsepower. We're not going that far, but that's good to know that this intercooler can handle that. Now, of course, again, it includes all the hot and cold side piping. The hard pipes are made out of aluminum and they're powder coated black, so they're tough. And then, of course, the soft rubber pipes are replaced by these high quality silicone hoses, and it includes all the clamps necessary for install. And this kit will run you under $1,500. A little further up the chain where the air comes into the motor, Mishimoto has introduced an awesome cold air intake for this application. Now, the cold air intake on the Focus RS is already quite good, but this is going to be an improvement in the build quality, and they're going to claim some power and torque gains. Now, first up, it's got this aluminum box that's powder coated black that's going to look really, really sharp, and it houses a high flow air filter that's an oiled air filter. Now, this uses the stock inbound air locations to maximize the air coming into the box, and that flows then down through a full 3-inch pipe that goes right into the turbo inlet. And this uses all the factory routing, all the stock locations. There's no cutting or modifications necessary to mount this up. It'll just bolt right in. Now, it's also available in wrinkle black, polished, or Ford Focus RS nitrous blue, which of course you can see we've opted for here. Now, Mishimoto claims a dyno-proven 12 horsepower gain and 15 units of torque. Now, that is an aggressive gain over stock for an already decent intake, and some people say that you don't need to do an intake on the Focus RS. So no matter where you lie on this spectrum, for around $450, this intake is going to look spectacular and likely flow more air, and of course, it's also going to give you that awesome induction bark sound. While we're talking about the air side of the system, let's talk about blow-by. Blow-by on boosted applications is when oil seeps past the piston rings and can make its way into the intake and into the valve train, building up carbon and overall decreasing performance and reliability. It's not good for the engine. So Mishimoto makes an oil catch can system. This is the can and this is the mount that comes in the system, and then there's a bunch of pipes that mount on the PCV side of the intake, and it basically flows the air through a 50 micron bronze filter to protect from that blow-by. It's going to filter that out. It's going to build up into this can, which can be emptied periodically, and this is going to set you back only around $300. It's a worthwhile investment to protect the engine, especially when you're tuning. Now let's turn our attention to this very unique product that Mishimoto developed specifically for the Focus RS application, and that is this oil cooler system. Now, traditional oil coolers usually are just a simple heat sink that oil passes through, and it'll be mounted under the frame, and a little bit of air will pass over it. In this case, they've gone with this bar and plate style cooler, which will mount up in the upper grill, and cold air will shoot straight in, pass over those fins, and have a significantly more powerful effect on cooling the oil that passes through the system. And it's mounted in this upper grill with this beautiful powder coated aluminum plate that they've designed, which also doubles as a funnel to shoot cold air up into your cold air intake, which can help drop intake temps by up to 6 degrees. It includes this thermostatic oil sandwich plate, which mounts between the oil filter and the engine, making a very simple install. It has the in and out outlets as well, and a thermostat built in, meaning that it only starts passing oil through this oil cooler once the engine has reached that operating temperature that opens up that thermostat. Very, very cool system that also includes all the stainless steel braided lines and these beautiful machined aluminum fittings. The fit and finish of this system is just beautiful, and it'll set you back a little under $900. Now moving on to engine coolant, Mishimoto does not actually make an upgraded radiator for the Focus RS. The radiator that comes on this car is actually really big and quite good at its job. If you are going to be pushing way over like 600 horsepower and going crazy with your build, you might want to look at a radiator upgraded from another brand. And if you do, make sure you hook it up with the Mishimoto radiator hose kit. That's what we've opted for here. We upgraded primarily just to get better quality hoses. These silicone hoses are going to be much more durable than the rubber hoses that come on the car, and also you can get them in this very cool nitrous blue to match some of the other stuff that we're doing in the engine bay. Now we also have opted to go with their wrinkle powder coated nitrous blue expansion tank for the coolant, which is going to replace that ugly clear white plastic thing that's on the edge, and it's just going to look much, much nicer. Mishimoto's also come up with a couple of other little bits and pieces for the Focus RS, including a machined aluminum and branded oil cap, which is just like a nice touch for the engine bay, as well as they actually recognize that the pedal, the gas pedal and the brake pedal don't line up very well for heel-toe shifts. So they actually made this innovative little plate that mounts in between the gas pedal and the floor, bringing it closer so you can hit those heel-toe shifts a little bit better. So obviously Mishimoto cared a lot about the Focus RS, and they've come up with an amazing suite of products. And next up, of course, we'll be doing installations. You can shop for all of these products on Motoroso.com. We'll be putting the links in the description, and you'll be able to check out our sale prices on all of these items. And if you're interested in learning more about suspension upgrades we've done on our Focus RS build, check out our ST coilovers video right over here. Thanks for watching.